Everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I will show you best setting for Alienware Aw3423dwf monitor. So guys, this is the best setting. Open OSD menu using the joystick and select pressed modes and choose the creator mode, FPS or standard, and set brightness to 75 and contrast to 75. This is for contrast, and enable HDR mode and the display setting. And the system adjusts the custom color setting for red 98, for greenness 96, for blue 100, and set the gamma to 2.2. And this is some additional setting, guys. Sharpness set to 50%, slightly higher. If you are disabled, supports manual adjustment, and color temperature set to warm for natural color for balanced and local response time. Set the fast gaming or normal for general use, and for overdrive enable your monitor support. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching. See you on other videos soon. Keep watching.